So Unity 2, my idea was inspired by Pokemon because it's a turn-based battle game and so is Pokemon. What did I learn from this project? First, I learned variables. They're things that store data like this. Obviously, x equals 7, that's a variable. And another thing I learned was functions are enclosed pieces of code that can be like called on another part of the program. Like this is a function because it's a picture of a function. Code example. The blue and the blue, green, and yellowish things are all variables, not yeah. So these store the player, opponent, current attacker, current opponent, and yeah. Functions, it decrease the health bar by an amount. Like this is change HP, and yeah. Demo. So this is the game. You can't really do anything else right now because we haven't programmed anything else. But yeah. And yeah, that's basically the game so far. And we'll probably not continue it ever again. My favorite part was working on finding the animation because it was fun and it was interesting on which animation we chose for which moves. How to improve my project? If I were to continue this project, I would add more moves and give actual moves to every character. Add more stages and make it able to randomly choose monsters because currently we can only use one, which looks like a blue turtle. Same too.